So there's the case, got it out. Looks very nice for what we're getting here. A little instructional manual. Probably don't need that. Here's the back end of the case. Tempered glass. And the front. I like it so far. We'll see when we start putting it together. Right now, alright, so at first glance, we've got four things holding in this side panel here. We're going to remove that so we can get to the fun stuff. Hopefully it doesn't take forever. Having a little trouble getting these off. Alright, almost. Wow, those are on there. Real good.